Yes or no? Good. I always tell you what we do for the day. Okay? All right, so today you guys needed to finish last Friday. We had started going over conduction, convection, radiation, did we not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to finish the back side of that, okay, which is this back side, remember? Okay, so you need to do that. Okay, then finish page 15 in the PSO book. I think all of you did. Page 15, all that was, I think all of you finished, was this activity key, this, right? Not a big deal. Okay, I think most all of you did that. Okay, then start page 17 on the definitions, okay? And you're going, but Miss Goshen, where do we find this? Okay, in your own words, write the definition of each of the following terms. So there's just 6 terms, right? Guess where you're going to find them? Where are you going to find them? In the book. You're right, Kagan. You're going to find them in the book, correct? Yes or no? Good. Good, good, good. Okay? So that's where you're going to find them in the book. And then use those words from the list above. And there's 6 words. And then you put them in down here. Does that make sense? Yes or no? Yes? Definitions. These 6 words go in these blanks down here after you've done the definitions, right? Yes or no? Why are you looking at that, Tatum, like that? What's wrong? Do you not know how to do definitions, dearest?
No, it's fine.
Okay, well, what are you having questions on, sweetheart? Huh?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, ask questions. Okay, definitions. Right? You find them over here, correct? Yes or no? In the next pages? Yes or no? Here's on peak, right? And it tells you exactly what it is. Right? Okay. All right. Then, today is Monday, right? And I sent out a message last Friday to you and to your parents, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. And I said in that message, remember, that you guys need to at least do the surveys. And I gave you the page numbers, correct? Okay? You can use this as much as you want. Once you guys take the information that you have, put it on your piece of paper, you guys can take this home and utilize it how you want with your parents. Okay? Does that make sense? Remember I told you? This is yours to keep. Yes? No? Okay. All right. So if you brought this back with the surveys completed, okay, raise your hand, and when you guys are working, I will hand back out your surveys. Okay, let me find your class here, guys. Okay. All right. So this is for the whole class to understand as well, okay? All right, so remember you guys did this survey and all you did was the pre-program quiz. Is that right? And I gave you a grade for that. Not that if it was the right answers or not, but if you completed it, correct? Because should you know what this stuff means? No, because we hadn't done the program yet, right? Yes or no? Okay, so here, do you guys read what it says? Read what it says out loud. Home checkup survey. Good. Okay, guys. So, what does this say? Your home checkup, right? Yes or no? Yeah. And isn't that on page 4, Roman numeral 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so all you do, there's, how many questions are there here?
8.
How many questions are there here?
8.
Good. So you just take your information that you and your parents worked on and fill it in here. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, on the next page, on the back side, isn't there a back side? Because you guys are asking me about it. Yes? Okay. We haven't done, we'll do this when we're done with our book. Are we done with our books yet? No. So we'll do that later. Okay, what does this read?
Home activity survey.
Home activity survey. Very good. What does this say?
Home activity survey.
Okay. How many questions are there here? 7, 15 total. How many are here total? 15. So all you do, guys, is what you and your parents filled out here, right? And you just transfer that information here. Copy it over. Is that hard? Okay. Does everybody understand? Okay. Yes, Brian.
Can I do it? Because I did it yesterday and I remember.
You do remember the answers?
Yeah.
Okay. If you remember the answers, Brian. Okay.
I remember the answer.
Okay. You guys okay on this? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. And then give this back to me, and I'll keep it because we'll do this when we're done with the book. Yes? Okay. Everybody understand what you're working on? You've got your conduction, convection, radiation worksheet. Yes? Okay. And I think everybody had page 15 already done in this class. So you guys are good to go. And then you can start working on page 17 with the definitions, right? Yes? Okay. And then those of you who brought your little take-home book back, or the surveys, let me know and I'll find your survey here and give that to you to complete. Everybody okay on this? Yes? Okay, I'll write the page numbers up here on the board for one, okay? For the home checkup survey is on Roman numeral 4, excuse me. Okay, in your booklet. Is that okay? Will that help you guys? Right? You guys know how to do Roman numerals? Yes,
That's
no?
fine.
That's
fine.
okay. 1. I'm just doing this. 2, 3. How do we do 3? 3 marks. You bet. Okay. What's 5? Does anybody know?
It's a V.
V. Good. Okay. So this is 1 less V, which is 4. Right?
So that's 4.
Uh-huh. How do we do 6?
I.
A V and a 1, a hash mark. How do we do 7?
V.
Yes, V with 2 marks. How about an 8?
V with 3 marks.
V with 3 marks. Okay. How do we do 9? Oh. Does anybody know what 10 is? How do
V.
X. Right. So if 10 is X, then what's a 9?
1 front.
1 in front of it. Very good. You guys are so good. There you go. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job, good job. Okay, so that's home activity survey. You guys okay on that? Page 19 and 20. Okay? Yes? Yes, Bob. You can go ahead and put it back up. Okay, questions? Yes, Lena. Brian, are you okay, sweetheart?
Yep, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you just stumble, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, just as long as you just stumbled and didn't pass out. Okay. All right. Oh, do you have a question with that? Okay, you guys okay on everything? Yes or no?